Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users have been reporting that they are unable to turn off Do Not Disturb. Whenever people text them, they got the notification that their iPhone is silenced. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb under Control Center. Swipe down the screen from right side to open Control Center. Tap on half moon icon. Now Do Not Disturb will be turned off. Do not press it. If you tap on Do Not Disturb, you will get this screen. Here also you can turn off Do Not Disturb. Solution 2. Delete schedule. To do this, launch Settings apps. Next, tap on Focus. Tap on Do Not Disturb. Tap on your schedule time. Next, tap on Delete Schedule. Again, tap on Delete Schedule to confirm. I have another one. I am going to delete it. If you too have, delete them or turn off schedule. Solution 3. Turn off and on your device. To do this, launch Settings apps. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your device. Wait for few seconds and turn it back on by press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.